Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tessin Heather and you are watching off Tessin Sir YouTube channel. Today's video is very emotional and heart-touching video. Be sure to watch this video to the end. So don't miss any part of this video. When we humans are in trouble, we call on someone for help, right? But animals, they can't even speak. Today in this video, we will talk about top 3 troubled animals whose lives were saved by some compassionate human beings. At number 3 on this list, little and innocent puppy. One day our father and son were going on an enjoying trip. But under a bridge, they heard the screams of an animal. As they passed, they saw a puppy in a pipe. He was very scared. He cleverly broke the pipe and pulled out a puppy. He was very thirsty and drank water. Fortunately, he did not suffer any major injuries. They will take the dog home with them. Now that dog lives with them and now the dog happy and safe. In the second number, we will talk about a bald eagle couples. A cold December morning turned into a very unusual want for employees of the Wildlife Rehabilitation Center, Canada. Some employees were passing through a forest. Suddenly he saw an eagle lying on the ground. He was trying to get up but was not getting up. The staff helped him get up but he could not. They picked up an eagle and brought it into the hospital. The eagle had a legs infection. Doctors started treatment of the eagle. After a few weeks, the eagle began to recover. This eagle was very big. That's why it was named Birdzilla. As soon as the eagle recovered, he was released into the wild. I salute these doctors. Please guys, do a one subscribe for my channel. On the happy morning, animal aids company gets a call. The one in front said, "A puppy is trapped, you come quickly." Servants of animal aid company soon arrived. They saw a puppy trapped in a oily mud. They pulled the baby out with great care and intelligence. It took a baby 3 days of fully recovered. Fortunately, he survived. He now lives happily with his mother and play with his siblings. You also find an animal trapped somewhere. Please help us. Of course, animals have every right to live in this world. Let us know in the comment box below how much you liked our video. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Until then, please like and share and subscribe. Thanks for all.